The skies come alive Wednesday, May 11th with the sights and sounds of the Cape Girardeau Air Show. One night only at the Cape Airport, it's the Canadian Snowbirds Air Squadron, the Canadian Skyhawks Parachute Team, and the Canadian F-18 Demonstration Team in a special twilight show. Plus the Red Line Aerobatic Show, the Golden Knights Parachute Team, F-22 Raptor Heritage Flight, and even a jet-powered semi-truck, all capped off with a fireworks display. General admission is free. Details, parking instructions, VIP upgrades, and more at CapeGirardeauAirFestival.com.